What's up, guys? Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes here. We are at Ledgestone. Guys, this is it, officially grand opening. The model home is now here for you to see. You may have seen my other videos. I've done 2 on Ledgestone. This is the 3rd, and every time it gets bigger and better. We have a bigger update. In this one, we just went through the model home. You're gonna see it in this video later, so stick around to the end. Guys, this is a premier product, Toll Brothers. I have people even from other countries who don't know much about the US and living here know about Toll Brothers because they have such a great reputation. Some of the greatest, I would say, standard features that you could ever find in a house that would be considered an upgrade with other builders, and with some, they don't even offer those products. Here, you can find that, your dream home, and it is in one of the best areas that you can imagine. Gwinnett County, right here, one of the biggest counties, the most diverse county in all of the Southeast. Yes, you heard me correctly. You've got so many different amenities and things around here. You've got Gas South Arena, you've got Highway 316, Interstate 85 that can get you downtown to the airport, to a sporting event. You've got some of the biggest Asian markets around here with just anything in terms of shopping, dining, recreational, or parks available for you to enjoy if you're a young professional or if you're a family especially. And speaking of which, the school districts are great. Peachtree Ridge High School. And look, some people, they may say, Tim, but Lawrenceville? Why Lawrenceville? Why not Johns Creek? Why not Suwanee? Why not Alpharetta? Well, look, we can't pick everything that we want, but here's one thing I will say. If you're gonna be moving here, there's 2 reasons why you should. Number 1, they've already got 19 homes under contract as of this recording out of 80 lots. Not all 80 have been released, only half of those. So why don't we look at it like that? 19 out of about 40 have been sold already. This has only been released on the market a few weeks ago. I think the demand says something about this community and why people want to live here. The other reason, if you are gonna move to Lawrenceville, this is the best place because it is the western part of Lawrenceville where it's close to your neighboring cities of Duluth and Suwanee, where you can get to those shopping and dining options with good schools that you and your family will enjoy and be able to take advantage of. Y'all come with me as we take a look at this model home.